And Papa, bring me the milk. But you put the other oat on top. Papa, bring me the milk.
Fine. They spent 2,200 years. They put that back. They have totally. Wait, are we done?
Not really. This one. Just only one box here. Let's see if the 2 of you can carry.
Are you going to do the sellotape after this? If we want.
Just carry that one. Because it's so nothing. Can you?
Yeah. The real movement. Oh, there.
Careful.
All of this super heavy over a brain. Yeah. A prank. All this over a prank silicon. All of this over a prank. Oh, yeah, you have to go past that. Don't touch that thing.
What's your toilet? Hurry up, I want to.
Chalmers. Beep.
Are you wee or toilet? Huh?
Wait, are you pooing?
Are you pooing?
Yeah, I think you're definitely pooing. So, did you read the game?
Yeah. It's okay, I want to go to the toilet. You know, we can stay here. I'm not ready yet.
So, did you beat the game? Ooh, sorry. I'll bring it tomorrow. All of this over a prank. My mom. My mom. My mom. My mom. My mom. Okay. Woo! 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 My mom. My mom. Mom. My mom. I need back me up. I need back me up. I need back me up. Don't make me stop. Don't. Okay. All of this over. Are you kidding me? What? Freaking. All of this for a vacuum. I lost soccer. All of this over a prank. Yeah. Soccer.
She's under 8 feet, Gordon. Looks like sounds, doesn't stand a chance. Oh, not so fast here. The next race is underwater. Who can travel furthest? It can all change here.
I know, literally in the same meetings as you about this event, Gordon.
3, 2, 1.
Whereas light goes even faster when there aren't any particles to get in its way. So light wins! I can't actually hear what light is shouting because there's no sound in space. But I tell you what, it does not.
Oh, I think she's saying loser. She's saying.
Here at the physics garage match, I am saying that bet. How many times? And your shoes are on the wrong feet, by the way.
Frightening lights. Time to meet your doom, planet Earth. Would you say somewhere else, please? Who in first? Weirdo.
Thanks for bringing us on a day trip, boss.
It's not a day trip, Dee. It's the end of the world as we know it. And a big deal. From here, we'll have the best view possible for when I press this button and switch off the sound. And then all the world's leaders best for health, and I rule the world. Say goodbye for the sun.
Quack.
Tell me, I'm out. Why is that?
The sun is 93 million miles away, so it takes like 8 minutes and 14 seconds to get here.
So you're telling me I have to wait over 8 minutes to see any difference? That's crazy. You were grabbing me. Just go in. So snap. I don't think I'll ever get over here. Ow! Do you know how it took me to do my hair this morning? No.
Oh God, really?
What is he doing? I'm open. And that's 8 minutes. Thanks for the kiss back, the sun should be on. Antoine, why is the sun still on?
The sun is huge, 330,000 times the size of the Earth. So this machine can't make the sun stop releasing energy.
Take a walk with me, Francois.
Oh.
It's too big.
Boo. Boo.
Actually, you know what? Take a walk with me, Janine. These vases almost look better in here.
Ah, son of a.
Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay. I need a new plan.
Pop. Ow.
Ouch. Sunrises and sunsets every 24 hours, which makes it hard to know when to have breakfast.
Ow. This happened. Dude, that's sick, man. Oh! Dude, that's sick, Oh! Dude, that's sick! How you gonna hold people?
That's so sad. You cannot close the things, so you must use the science.
Kick. But
I don't know. Yeah, what was that about? You didn't have to look. I'm gonna.
Trust me. Be safe. Be not just not as a Google coming into a hospital.
Ow. Ow. Why? Oh. All of this forum. You're right. Seriously. Yeah, my friend.
Eco parts, wait.
Best parts of Australia? Yeah, mate. Oh, be it. The locals. This is gonna be a good one. It's like an egg. You know, we didn't become the crew. I don't care. You're not the one. We didn't go to go to the Kia. Still, we found.
Next time you got you're right.
Nice to finally meet you.
Do you want me to close the Mummy? Mummy, do you want me to close the door?
Nice to finally meet you, Peter Parker. Oh, it's the other.
What's her name? That girl, what's her name? The one that's tonight in the man, only 6. Because we did another, only 5. We did another, another 20. We did another 20. Wasn't enough. What I say? And to me, man,
Here we go, here we go.
Authorizing the extra 50 from a year as it was all the messages that they come. Total will be 150. That is not going to change from my pay. I'm not lying.
She's building a fitness business, and I help her spot every opportunity to grow.
You make that look so easy. I need your routine.
Sounds like a new
Oh.
Easy. Look where fitness goals are.
on it. Three bums. Count them. Come on, Auntie. Let's do something amazing. Well, that's quite painful, actually. Right. I hear Margaret's very nice this time of year.
Which bum was that?
I don't even know anymore. Coming soon, TV's hottest show. The floor is actually lava. A fun new game show where contestants have to make their way across a giant lava field. Hold up, is that natural lava? Clues in the title, mate.
Oh, let me throw my sheet.
I think only make platforms to jump across on these games. Yes, they built it. Lava's temperature is 1,100 degrees Celsius. What did you expect?
Okay, guys, what do we do? Guys? I don't know. I'm just here for the vibes. What do you think, Brian?
Brian's been standing downwind of the lava, so he's inhaled a lot of toxic gas. What do you normally do with lava food like this? They wait for it to cool.
Let's do that then. Go team!
Which can take days, weeks, months, or even years.
So plans for tonight.
Hey, you knew what you were signing up for, Michael. You like that, Brian?
Is this the real reason Harry Kane missed that chance against Ghana in the 8th one? I would have shut up! Shut up and sit down!
around the dog.
Apart from the bit where that guy fell in.
Hey, you know, I've always wondered, is why my son never says anything about
As
it.
it calls,
How it's obvious.
solid rock.
Because there's nothing to say. I mean, look at you. And given an opportunity to stand up hitting everyone around the street. You picked up the engagement the other day. What on the stuff now? I'm gonna make you slap it for my sausage. Such fun doesn't work so hard.
Whoa!
I'll tell you something.
Sitting there looking up at me, not knowing where you came from or what
I
you
am
did.
going to
Well,
keep
let
an
me
eye
teach you the oldest story on the
You
planet.
are so arrogant.
Go, baby!
So despicable.
The rock cycle is how you
Look at
get
you.
from one form of rock to another in 3 main steps. Your mountain cools become igneous rocks. Switch together become sedimentary rocks. Heated and pressurized, boom!
You're metamorphic, baby.
Yeah. And then you do it again. It's a cycle of rock. The rock cycle. It's a cycle that rocks. It goes around and around. Yeah, but it never stops.
Which one am I?
Okay. Calm down, my rocky friends. Let's start with you, Greg. Yeah. You are igneous rocks. You were born from magma. Yeah, you're cool real quick. I'm cool. You're volcanic and tough. I mean, that ain't rock enough. My friend, you are a granny friend. Yeah, man, I'm igneous.
I want to be a kid.
You were once my sandstone friend. Sedimentary rocks, you contain loads of stuff. Like sand, fossils, minerals, and shells. You're tightly compact, yeah, it's a rock cycle fact. And the weather has eroded you well.
I want to be sedimentary now.
You will be one day, Greg. Just give it a few million years. What? The rock cycle. It's the cycle of rock. You know what you are. You're metamorphic. Once a sedimentary mud. Refrigerated heat, you change your style. You shimmer, shine, where crystals are stacked to be a scoop on top or a slate through time.
I really am spooked. Sometimes I slide right off the wall.
Igneous. Yeah. Sedimentary. Yeah. The cycle of rock. Round and around and
A school of rocks. Rated R for rock.
and that's how you rock